Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to be discussing is stratified sampling. So stratified sampling is when a population is divided into distinct subgroups and a random sample is taken from each subgroup. And a subgroup is referred to as a strata. So we developed a program in Python to carry out stratified sampling. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the libraries that we're going to need to use to execute this program. So we're going to import pandas as PD, which is going to create a data frame and process the data. And then we're going to import NumPy as NP, which performs numerical computations. We're going to set up the example data. So data is a category and a value. So one column will be a category and one column will be a value. And basically we're going to use pandas to convert that into a data frame. So we're going to define a function to perform stratified sampling. So def stratified sampling brackets df comma stratify call comma sample size, and then we're going to calculate the number of samples to take from each stratum. So strata sample counts equals df stratify call dot value counts brackets normalize equals true times sample size, and strata sample counts equals strata sample counts dot round brackets dot s type int. And then we're going to perform the stratified sampling. So sample df equals pd dot concat group dot sample brackets strata sample counts brackets name comma random state equals 1 for name group and df dot group by stratify column. And then sampled df dot reset index drop equals true, in place equals true, return sample df. So we're going to define stratify column and sample size. Stratify column equals category, sample size equals 6. So we're going to perform stratified sampling. Sampling df equals stratified sampling brackets df call stratify call comma sample size. And then we're going to display the sample data. So we're going to print stratified data, and then we're going to print the sample df. So the function used a group by. The function used group by, and so because the function used group by, or group really, because the function used group, then what's happened is going to take the stratified sample and it's going to convert it into a data frame. So you've got a data frame of 6 rows of data, which is your 6 samples. And so you've got 2 samples of A, 2 samples of B, and 2 samples of C. So that pretty much concludes how to make a stratified sample in Python. The next video we're going to be talking about systematic sampling, which is another type of sampling, and statistics.